The seashore provides a wealth of different habitats for plants and animals. Storm-battered coasts, rocky shores and sandy bays, sheltered coves and mud banks all have their fauna beautifully adapted to the varying conditions. This film shows the methods used for discovering these plants and animals and shows some of the typical creatures that may easily be found. A fairly sheltered rocky shore may be divided into zones according to the dominant brown seaweeds present. In the upper shore, around about high tide level, we find the channeled wrack. It forms tufted branches up to 6 inches long and can withstand the drying effects of sun and air for long periods without harm. Just below this comes a narrow zone of flat wrack, a rather larger seaweed with no bladders, but the tips are often swollen and heavy. The middle shore is usually covered by the bladder wrack, well named because of the air bladders which give buoyancy when the weed is covered by the sea. In the lower shore, the serrated wrack is the dominant plant. It has no bladders, and the frond has a jagged edge. The positions of the reproductive organs show up as dots near the end of each frond. Oar weeds are usually only exposed at low spring tides. There are several species of these large seaweeds, one of the commonest having a frond broken into strips like the fingers on a hand.